It's really thick density because each time I'm using it's just a little bit, and the little like jars go a long way. And just, can you plug this one in? I'm sorry that we're gonna do that. Somehow I got my Louis is in like different direction, but it's okay. It looks stunning though. Looks cute anyway. And I've like applies it really like a blended in. It's really thick density, so the first time you're using it is normal. Where you feel it's like really thick density, which is that's normal. No wipe top coat. And I am gonna float it on the top of the condensed glue gel, which is I haven't cleared the condensed glue gel yet. Oh, this one is cute. And I'm gonna do a precision glue at the same time in later. Should I get the crimson shard? I have other.
This one what? You put right on top of the. Does cover a bit too much, I think.
No, you still have the Louis right there. I try not to cover too much. If you feel like you cover too much when you do the clients now, don't do like what I did. You just do a less. But the clients, I'm like, I have clients love that. They want like everything in there. Yeah, you can do a diamond shot in there, the shape. But if you have a clients like my clients, they love to have a lot of more. So it's really depend on your clientels. If they want just like a little bit, then you add just smaller crystals on. And if you have a clients that just want, I should say, if the client just want just a little bit crystals, then you put the smaller crystal size on it, like size 6 and 8. I think it looks good. But if the clients like want a lot, like my clients, I have all different clients. They would like a lot in there. They want some of them like conservative. So it really depends on your clients. I say it was either way. But you can see last time my nails, I covered pretty much all everything. But I think it's really depend on your client's preference.
Sarah just left saying.
Hi Sarah, hey girl. Thanks so much for tuning in. It must be late for you in your time, love. Brad here's earlier, and this is our like third going live video now. I'm so excited. I feel like I'm so excited. I can't wait. I'm hardly can wait for tonight. So, oh my God, I miss you all ladies. Even though I'm like with all that, I almost missed your live videos, Sarah, because I was taking my bootcamp study online. That's the reason why I got to tune in a little bit later. But I'm so glad I caught your live video. I'm about to send you a message, and then you are like tuning in. Okay. Silver and red. Like have a theme of red and white. All right. You know, ladies, please help me to stop because I will start covering. Just a little bit. That's it. And silver beads. It looks enough. Like two of these so strong colors, like a black sand and a red, it looks so gorgeous together. So either way, it looks good though. I don't want to start doing more because then I start covering everything. So if you're happy with this, we're gonna keep this one for 60 seconds. Alright, so I'm gonna do precision glue. Sarah did really cool design today. Neon designs. Really perfect for summertime, Sarah. When I see that, I say, oh yeah, I really like it. I don't know, I just love the bright colors. And then super cute Bling nails, or someone who asking earlier if I miss it, who asking a bright color, I said you should watching Sarah.